Hello, good morning. This is the update of my little plantation. My asparagus, they're doing well, and then the tomato is doing well too. And this is my new transplant of strawberries, different varieties of strawberries, big ones and small ones. When they see, strawberries, my strawberries. And this one, they're all garlics. I just planted garlic. This one is still empty. And my potatoes, my others. And my flowers, dahlia, that one. Wow, look at this. Oh, they're so beautiful. Isn't it? Oh, and the bubuyog is over there taking up nectar. DJ. And look at my little model. Yeah, my little model. Ah. And my oh, look at this. Oh, flowers. And this is my excess strawberries. Whoever wants them, whoever strawberry runner, I got plenty here. They're free. My chili, they're ready to pick. Thank you, bye. Look at my flowers. Oh, look at my flowers. Look at my flowers. My little model. Oh, look at these flowers. Oh. Hmm. 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 My little model. Okay, look. Oh. Say thank you very much. Bye.